Hello everyone. If you are a PCB designer, then you need a microscope for inspecting the PCB. Here is a small USB microscope from Carson, the MM840 Flex. It offers magnification up to 300 times and you can record videos and take photos. In this video, let's take a closer look at the Carson MM840 Flex USB microscope. Let's get started with this video. The Carson MM840 Flex comes in this box. Inside the box we have the user manual, a base, a flexible stand and the microscope itself. The base is made of a durable leathery material that provides a solid grip. The stand is flexible and the suction cup at the bottom helps secure it to the base. Here is the microscope, which comes with an attached USB cable. On the top side, you will notice a camera icon for taking photos. And on the bottom, there is a camera and LED lights. There are also two knobs, one for adjusting the focus and other for controlling the brightness of the LEDs. The build quality of this microscope is excellent and this notch here helps to secure it in the stand. Before connecting the microscope to your computer, download the ExploreView software from Carson website. After downloading, extract and install the software. Once installed, connect the microscope, then open the ExploreView software. Now click on the settings icon and by default it's set to webcam mode. Change it to microscope to ensure proper functionality. You can also adjust other settings like resolution, video format and where to save your images and videos. Click apply and you should see the live output of the microscope on your screen. You will find three camera buttons on the top side. One is for taking photos, one for continuous photos, and the third one is for recording video. Here are some sample recordings using the MM840 microscope. The output is clear and looks great, showing the fine details that can be magnified up to 300 times. This microscope is ideal for inspecting PCBs, jewelries, stones and more. Moreover, the Carson MM840 Flex is a great option for PCB designers like me. Its lightweight, easy to carry design gives extra points. You can find the purchase link from the video description. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. Your support means a lot for me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.